Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we are going to see how to fix NVIDIA Shield remote not working, pairing, batteries, reset and IR/CEC fix. To fix an unresponsive NVIDIA Shield remote, start by power cycling your Shield TV. Unplug the power cable for 2 minutes and ensuring the remote's batteries are fresh. If issue persists, perform a hard reset by holding the select and home button together while reinserting the battery until you hear an audible beep. Now follow these step-by-step solutions to resolve the issue. Fix 1. Power cycle your Shield TV. Turn off your Shield TV and unplug the power cable directly from the device. Now wait for about 2 to 5 minutes to let capacitors discharge. Then plug it back in and wait for the home screen to load before testing the remote. Fix 2. Battery and hardware check. Reinstall or replace. Remove the batteries for 30 seconds and insert them back in, ensuring the plus and minus terminals are aligned correctly. The one battery trick. Take out all but one battery. While holding down the center button, select and the home button, slide the remaining battery back into its place. Then wait to hear a beep which indicates the remote has reset and is ready to pair. Fix 3. Hard reset the remote. Remove all the batteries from the remote and press and hold down the home button for 10 to 15 seconds. Then release the button and reinsert the batteries. Fix 4. Repair the remote. Use the mobile app. Download and install the NVIDIA Shield TV app on your phone, available for Android and iOS. To use your phone as a trackpad and navigate your menus. Via Settings. With your Shield app or a USB mouse plugged in, navigate to Settings, then go to Remote and Accessories and tap on Add Accessory. To enter pairing mode, hold down your remote select button or the home button, depending on your model, for about 3 seconds until the blue light blinks, holding the remote within a foot of the Shield TV. Fix 5. Clear Bluetooth cache system level. Navigate to Settings, then go to Apps and then tap See All Apps and then go to Show System Apps. In it, find Bluetooth. In it, select Clear Data/Clear Cache and force stop. Then restart your Shield. Thanks for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.